everyone, welcome to my channel. Today let's see how crispy and crunchy Jowar Flour Chakli can be made. These can be stored for up to a period of 2 months. Anyway, they won't last for such a long time as they are very tasty. These serve as a very good tea time snack as well. So let's get started now. To make this chakli, in a vessel I've taken 2 glasses of jowar flour and just quarter glass of fried gram. I'm using the same glass. We have to grind these fine. Adding these fried gram gives very crisp taste to the chakli. Now add desired salt. Even if we store for a long time, they won't become soft. That is the main quality of adding fried gram. Half a spoon of cumin, 1 spoon of white sesame seeds. I have added 1 spoon of chili powder, dry red chili powder. You can increase or decrease the quantity as per your taste, and just quarter spoon of asafoetida. Now combine all the ingredients once. The next step is take a wok, add 2 tablespoons of oil, cooking oil, any oil which is not very strong in flavor. Now add this hot oil. After heating this, add this hot oil to the flour and combine everything properly. I'm using spoon as the flour is hot, and then I'm mixing everything with hand using water in small quantities, little by little, add little by little, so that we would come to know as to when to stop using water. Now I am making this into a soft dough like this. For 2 glasses and a quarter glass of flour, I used 1 glass and a quarter glass, 1/4 of water, glass of water. Now using a chakli maker like this, these are very easily available online in any online store. I am using a star shaped plate like this. Grease the chakli maker with oil so that the dough can easily get squeezed into the oil. Just fill 3/4 of the chakli maker with the dough. I've put the oil already on heating. Use medium flame and squeeze the dough into the hot oil. Use medium flame. Once the bubbles settle down, we have to flip and fry till golden brown. As the jowar flour is gluten free, we cannot make the spiral shape. We can get only these stick sort of chaklis. These are very crispy, very crunchy, and very healthy also. It's always better to incorporate jowar also into our diet. Hope you like this recipe useful and interesting. If you like it, share it, and do subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye for now.